Hi everybody, welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. Today we're back here in our lab and today we're going to talk about a specific part for the EST2 panel, the EST2 LCD. Now guys, you see this one here in my hand. This is actually an EST2 LCD. And this unit here actually basically goes right here on the EST2 panel. When you're looking to replace one of these, sometimes you might have to know a specific version. I'm not completely for sure why that is, but we do carry a lot of them. We have the capability to not only offer reconditioned ones of these because it's no longer available new, but we do have repair capability. So even if we're out of stock, if you have one that's bad, damaged, that you need to send in for repair, contact your account manager. They'll be glad to set up a time, send you out a quote to make sure that you can get it sent in for repair. Now keep in mind our repair time is only about 3 to 5 days when it comes to things like the 2 LCD. So if you have questions on whether we have one in stock or if you want to send in one for repair, contact us. Again, this is Nick Dumeyer, account manager here at ISA, and we'll talk to you again soon.